Hey everyone, this is the Mattamy homes. I'm going to walk over in Wildlight, which is right near Yulee. Not that far away from Fernandina Beach, Amelia Island area. You are basically the first stoplight, more or less, right off of I-95 there. So you're really kind of close, not that far away from the airport, not that far away from what they have called Riverside Shopping Center. Really kind of a good place to go to. I'm going to do a walkthrough of the model here. This is called the Elm. Right now it is, of course, a model, but they're getting ready to close out their entire neighborhood here. So approximate list price is going to be close to $430 on this one. So let's go take a look at it. So right now they have, this is the model. Next door is a parking lot area. This is where they're going to build another one. The only thing I can say about this is that this lot here is going to be a smaller size lot. Now they do have some very beautiful homes here. I'm going to actually sneak over here on the one side here. This is probably about 12-15 feet across on the side, and you can see the fence line all the way back there. We'll see it when we end up going out into the backyard area. This is not your typical floral fauna package that comes with it, so. But it will have the Ring doorbell, nice 10-foot ceiling. Very pretty home, nice large white hallway. This is actually hardwood floors, but it is the type that if you end up selling something, it'll still be there when you end up getting back. You do have the 9-foot ceilings. Now this one here is going to be slightly different because it is a model home, but still have a decent size room here. This is more of an 11 by 11, and then this is what's considered a half bath, but in the full size bath, on the actual one that's going to be here, you'll have a full size bath in this direction here. So very nice. Down the hallway, you have a flex room. This is going to be an area where you can use as an office. It doesn't have a closet, so it's not technically a bedroom, but if you wanted to switch this into a bedroom, you possibly could. Guest room, office, formal living room. Over this way, you have formal dining room area, your master large living space. You have granite countertops here, 42-inch cabinets. It will have the splashdown lights. These are not the correct ones you're going to get. You're going to get an area where if you want to put the pendant lights in, you're welcome to. There are different options on the sinks, so if you wanted to change that out, you can. This is a gas community. We'll come back down this way in just a moment. You're going to have over this way another bedroom. So really good size. Hallway. And we've got another bedroom here. Another good size. Again, your ceilings are nice and tall. You have the full-size bathroom here for the spare bathroom. Come back over this way. Your washer and dryer room is here. And then here's your master. Decent sized walk-in closet. And then a really good size master bedroom. It does have the trade ceilings. This has Berber carpet in it, but that's not standard. You have the shower tub combo, or shower and a tub. Sorry, good size shower, good size tub, and then the double sinks, and then your water closet. And this will have a door on it, of course. Let's go take a look at the back door. This model has a sliding glass door here. Now, the backyard is not enormous. This one here, as I said, is all set up for somebody to come in through handicap, but of course, when they end up doing it, if you see where the fence line is, that's about where the property line is, so it's not a humongous backyard here. Approximately about a 20-30 foot difference there. If you're interested in learning more about this home, leave comments down below. My contact information is also included, so if you want to know more about the house, let me know. Hopefully you end up liking the video. Make sure you end up hitting that like and subscribe button, and I'll talk to you later. Thank you. Bye.